Yeah, what up? We made it to our destination. And it is beautiful. Holy
We can't wait to show
crap.
you guys.
I'm going to show y'all in just a second, but man, oh man. This is literally what? Well, there's camp. There's our truck. There's yurt camp. So we're going to have a very nice view out the back of our bed, ain't we, babes?
Yes.
Heck yeah. Y'all check this out.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dang.
I don't know which way to turn, guys. So
it's
beautiful.
Never ending, guys.
So beautiful.
It's never ending.
And if you know, you know.
And if you know, you
What
know.
Cynthia loves, her some hearts in the sand. Heck yeah.
Love you guys.
You gonna take a bath? Huh?
Bobby, you were clean.
Yeah, he's gonna be taking a bath. Yep, that's exactly what he'll be doing.
Holy cow. Bubby.
Come here.
Man. Okay. Bubby, you're having a blast. Woohoo! Good boy.
Here we go.
Woohoo! Come on, baby boy.
There you go.
Good job. Oh
my God. Oh. Beautiful, ain't it, babe?
Yes. Hey, this is a perfect rock.
Wait a minute, I'm showing them the bluff. And there's Denver down there making a mess. All right, Cynthia's gonna try to do a skipping rock.
Let's see how good of a teacher you are, babies.
I've tried to teach you. You're unteachable.
Yay! Woohoo!
That wasn't a skip, so whatever. Haha, man.
Yeah, guys.
This is beautiful.
I mean, when the water's clear,
oh my gosh,
and it's like a soft green and has just a spike of blue in it.
Well, what you see right here is what me and Cynthia are going to see right up in here. Somewhere our truck's right up in there. So yeah, it's going to be beautiful.
Look how clear this is.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Denver is, he's a mess.
Yeah, here's his leash, guys. Here's
rubbing.
his leash.
Yeah, he's rubbing in the sand over here. He's taking a sand bath.
He's having a blast.
Sand bath for Denver. Hey, we're on a
he's on a vacation too.
eternal vacation, son. What?
I'm acting like I'm walking Denver.
She thought she was still walking Denver with the leash. No, no. We have a little adventurous dog right now.
Yeah.
Look at that back there, y'all. Man,
That.
love that. That's
and
beautiful.
It's right behind where we're camping.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah. Yeah, don't be diving, Matt Payne. And for today's information, boomage, there it is. We're at Buffalo National River, y'all.
And
Heck
what state
yeah.
are we at, baby?
Beautiful. Arkansas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Denver's he's grounded. He's grounded. He's lost all privileges. Haven't you, boy?
Yeah. And for
Yeah,
the yurt forecast, it's 80 degrees right now. Yes, sir, I've got my shirt off.
Woohoo.
It's that hot.
I'm hot.
80 degrees.
So you got to take
So it's got to take your shirt off hot. And that is your yurt forecast. Yeah.
You guys.
Boomage, guys. I don't know, but
Well, we've seen some policemen and stuff come this way, and you know what they did before? We wanted to show you what happened before we pulled in. Look at that.
I think we possibly have a crime scene.
Oh my God, look.
And we're camping right beside it.
Look.
Yeah. I just found Cynthia her first heart rock on the road.
Oh.
Heck yeah. Unfortunately, we can't take it because we're in a state park. That's where I found it. That's where it'll stay. Sorry, babies.
That's okay. It was the thought, and it made me so excited.
Boomage. My baby's getting hungry.
I'm starving, you guys. He's making me.
And guess what? Tonight.
Wait.
Tonight is not hot dogs. It's not PB&J. It's not Doritos.
Wait, we're not sponsored, y'all.
No, but anyways, it's gonna be a dang good supper.
And you don't want to miss that, guys.
Here we go. Okay, she's ready to be lit.
Baby, were you ever in Boy Scouts?
No, I wasn't in Boy Scouts.
You do better than any Boy
But
Scout.
I know how to build a fire.
That's right.
Yeah. Let's see if she can do it, guys. Walk the beam, baby.
This is how the Olympics do it.
Walk the beam, babies. Do it. Come on, you got it. Come on, you got it.
It's not that easy when you're pigeon-toed.
Come on, you got it. Look at there, you got it.
Whoa,
She's got it, guys. She's got it.
Yay!
Boomage, guys. Boomage. It's the Reynolds Wrap Heavy Duty.
Yeah, guys.
Not sponsored.
But we like to be.
But you know, if you want to, Reynolds,
Yeah.
we can talk.
We can talk for you.
Yeah. Reynolds Wrap, that's the first step, and then the food is coming soon. And we're letting that fire burn down a little bit back there.
And you know I'm real professional at doing this. I need some scissors.
Oh God, that's why it's got a thing on it to rip it. You said you took home ec class. You know what that means? That means Cynthia hasn't been in the kitchen much, have you? Got a little rusty.
Okay, I'm telling the truth.
And boomage.
Do I have to count the...
Just set it on it before it burns your fingers, silly.
Woo-hoo.
Yeah. It's cooking time.
Baby, can you tell me what these are?
Oh, you're already showing them? This is seasoned skillet whole green beans and onions with bacon seasoned.
That's right.
And smoked sausage. Hillshire Farm. Hillshire Farm.
Double the meat.
And we forgot oil.
Double the meat. Woo-hoo. What is it, baby?
We forgot the oil or butter or anything like that. So
Yeah.
we might probably use a little water.
Little water.
Little water.
My baby's, he's smart.
If this is what's for supper, y'all, it's gonna be good. Bubba, do you want some Hillshire Farm sausage tonight? Yeah.
My baby's Corey just showed me that this is another heart rock he found. And up in the corner over here, wait, over here, right there, there's a sideways heart. Y'all look at that. Tell me what you think. I tell you what, you guys, this is precious to the...
Yeah, it's sizzling. It's starting to sizzle.
And my man thought of these rocks and putting the aluminum foil over it. That is a good idea.
That's right.
Ooh, baby.
Oh yeah, y'all.
You're doing good. Baby, look at you. You've got it all going on.
Oh, it's cooking. It's cooking.
I could smell it. Don't worry, y'all. We're smelling it for y'all. If y'all remember in one of the videos not far ago, me and my man made this grill top. It was like double that, but you know what? He made it happen.
Ooh. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Boomage.
You guys,
Y'all.
this is called a blessing.
Smell-o-vision.
Yeah.
Smell-o-vision, y'all.
I've got my napkin.
Wish y'all could smell it. It was
He
good.
got his.
Yeah, we got, we multi-task with the toilet paper, so we got, you know,
It's cheaper to get.
napkin, toilet paper.
Yeah. It's cheaper to buy a big thing of toilet paper because you can use it for cleaning up messes. You can use it for doing your hands.
Hey, how about you?
You could use
How
it
about
for
you use
after
it
you go to
for-
the restroom.
How about you use this and let's cheers so we can eat, right?
Yeah.
Cheers. No, cheers. Cheers. Before it gets cold, right? Heck yeah. Yurt. Oh, and the best ingredient, mustard.
I'm plenty affiliated with that one, but
Pass the mustard, baby. Come on.
yeah.
Do it.
Oh.
I don't know, y'all. Remember that country song, Waiting on a Woman?
You'll pay for that.
He made millions off the truth.
Oh, the truth, y'all. The truth will set all of us free.
That's right. Everybody cheers, shoot name. It's going to be a good night.
Yeah.
Aha.
Oh.
Yurt. Yeah, cheers, babies. Come on, you're behind the times. We forgot to cheers the sausage, baby.
I got a sausage and a green bean.
That'll work.
Ready?
Boomage.
And I love you guys. And
That's
one
so
for you
good.
guys.
So good. I know. He don't never whine when we eat. Huh.
He still has a little food
I
on
know.
this thing too.
He never whines. You never whine when we eat, boy.
Put on your fork to be funny.
And we can't forget about our bubby boy, huh? There you go, boy. Boomage. What up, everybody? Dishes are done. Bellies are full. Man. Fire's going. And the river. Oh my gosh, y'all. You got to check this place out. Look it up, check it out. You know, plan your trip. But I do know through November 15th to March 15th, it's free. It's free. Because wintertime, basically. So through late fall to late winter, you can camp free here. There's our sunset. Beautiful, ain't it, babes?
Oh my gosh.
We're surrounded by mountains
It's
here.
so pretty.
Yeah.
It looks like cotton candy to me.
It's very weak cotton candy, if that's...
Wow.
Guys, ladies and gents and ladies.
A big fat yurt, guys.
We get to listen to this all night.
Oh. I think there's nothing more better than that.
That's the truth. Bubba. Bubba.
He's a puppet show.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
Man, what a nice rest last night, right?
Yes.
Beautiful.
It was so good.
Woke up this morning, though, a little chilly, wasn't it?
It's like 15 negative.
No, but it was 80 something yesterday, the high, and then the night, I don't know, it's probably a good 50 something, 50 degrees, 55, something like that. A little chilly. But
it ain't 55.
there you go, guys. Beautiful Buffalo River.
I love it.
Yurt. CNC has seen you, and we'll probably be back one day.
That's right.
Yurt. So guys, hopefully y'all enjoy this one. Hopefully you've had an awesome day and evening and night when you're watching this. We appreciate your love and support. We're heading out. Peace out. Love you guys. Yeah. Oh, I thought she was going to do it.
Okay, I just want to say, you guys, never, ever, ever give up. You're worth. You're so special. You have a purpose. And love you guys. Mwah.
Yurt stash is back. Let's go.
Let's go.